What's the meaning of borzoi? Borzoi. Borzoi.
Borzoi. Borzoi. The word borzoi refers to a breed of domesticated dog that originated in Russia. Also known as the Russian wolfhound, this breed is known for its elegance and grace. These dogs are tall and lean with long, silky hair and are typically used as show dogs or for hunting purposes. They are sighthounds, meaning they rely on their keen eyesight to hunt prey. The name borzoi comes from the Russian word borzoi, which means swift, agile, or fast. Overall, borzois are prized for their beauty and athleticism, as well as their loyalty and affectionate nature towards their owners.